Hello everyone and welcome back to another client brow transformation video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is nicolemadii and I am a brow artist from Melbourne, Australia. If you're interested in seeing more of my work, you can follow my Instagram page, nicolemadii brows, where all my brow transformations are shown first, or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more upcoming brow transformations. In today's video, I'm going to be transforming my client's brows, which she has fully grown to receive a complete brow transformation. I'm going to give her one of my most popular brow lift design, which consists of shortening the tail as well as using my advanced defining technique to create that crispy definition. Before I get started, I cleanse around her brow area, which is really important. This is going to remove any oil or dirt, which will avoid causing any breakouts. Beginning with mapping the brows, this step is the most important part before diving into my advanced defining technique. I like to use a mapping cream and a slanted brush to create the mapping. There is other techniques like using a measurement brow ruler or inked string to draw on the brows. Of course, we are shortening the tail, so there is a certain amount of hair removal that can be done without over threading or tweezing the brows. Now we begin with threading. First, I'm going to thread above the mapping line to remove all the unwanted hair. After we have done this, I then begin to slowly make my way down to the mapping line, carefully threading over it to begin the defining. Once we have done that, we then begin threading on the eyelid using the same technique, threading below the mapping line and then slowly making your way up. When threading on the eyelid, it's so important to make sure you get your clients to stretch the skin nicely to avoid cutting the skin, as it's a delicate area. Now that we have threaded, I'm going in with my tweezers to begin defining the brows, taking my time, paying close attention to each individual hair. A tip I can share is to always take a step back after 4 to 5 tweezing and brush and reanalyze the brows and then go back in to continue defining. Taking a step back really shows the brows at a different view, as we are so close to the brows when defining. Another tip, as shown in the video, is to hold a strong tissue to remove any hairs stuck on the tweezers. When tweezing, hairs that pull out can hold a oily like liquid, which will stop your tweezers from performing the way it should be. Moving on to trimming, this step is just as important as defining the bottom part of the brows, which will play a massive role in bringing out the brow shape. Always stop, analyze, rebrush, and then go back in to continue trimming. Once we have completed both sides, I will begin threading the monobrow, getting my client to do a surprise face to ensure the middle is tightly stretched out before threading. When doing the monobrow, it's so important to take your time, as this is the part that finalizes the brows to ensure everything looks nice and symmetrical. To complete the brows, I will tint her brows very lightly to give a nice brow contour. Before tinting, I remapped her brows to ensure the tint is nicely placed to give that extra crispiness. Once we have completed the tint, I will go ahead and lightly conceal her brows, which will also make them stand out a little more. I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 15. Always use a concealer 1 shade lighter, as this will help make the brows stand out and give an extra brow contour illusion. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and welcome to all my new subscribers. If you want me to create any specific videos, please let me know in the comment box down below. I have some amazing client brow transformations coming up, as well as makeup tutorials. I am getting back into teaching makeup, which is very exciting, and I can't wait to share my skills and amazing looks with you. I did record this makeup look, so please make sure to click that notification button so you don't miss out. By liking, sharing, or commenting on this video will help get my work more noticed, and it will allow new people to join my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.